as introduced already, Mukonazwothe Netshiluvhi. And then this is a study that I'm busy with, together with my supervisor, Olama. This is about weed that most of us we know. It's very popular thing around here as well in KZN, the Tecoma stance. It was introduced as an ornamental plant, as most of the invasive weed that we have, and then did escape cultivation. As a result, it's invading almost everywhere. Watercourses, roadside, found in everything. And then it's well distributed in almost all provinces in South Africa. I've seen it, a lot of it here in KZN, Limpopo, and Mada. There has been work done there's been biological control of these Tecoma stands, and then of the insects that have been brought and worked on, 3 were cleared for release, and then 1 was released in 2010, and that was the Prospodium, transformans, but then it failed to establish. And then recently, last year, a beetle was released, and that was the Mada polluta. The first release was done somewhere in spring, September, and then we've seen initial establishment also here around KZN. And then last week, Pseudonapomyza, which is a leaf mining fly, was approved for release, so I might just say it's out now. Then this is what we'll be working on, what we are working on now, which is Heikertingerelle species, not yet identified. We're busy with studying it and about to identify it. This is a beetle, which is a root-feeding beetle. It was this is native in Mexico, and then this brings a new dimension into what has already been there in terms of biological agent. This biological agent that we are having now, the 2 of them which have been released, are targeting the leaf areas. But then this one targets, the adults targets the leaves, while the larvae attacks the roots, which is a bit good. This is a very good agent which has a short life cycle, about 59 days to 60. Therefore, it reproduces very fast. And then in the lab there, in the quarantine, we are rating it for temperatures that are ranging from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius and 43 to 84 humidity. So far we have tested it on close to 12 different test plants, and then we tested it on the plants that we've tested it on. It has only failed on 3, which are Tecoma species: the Tecoma stance, Tecoma alata, and Tecoma capensis. On the Tecoma stance, it was expected, and then it had several generations, but then disappeared, which has been one of the problems that we've been having. Tecoma alata capensis, it did had a bit of nibble, okay? And then it didn't have any larvae or any other generation development. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to develop new rearing techniques, and also we have to first recollect it, because we've been struggling to keep it over for 3 generations. So we still have to find out what the problem is. We still have to do the biology, and then still several plants that we still have to test as well. And we still have to be busy with the pre-release impact studies as well, and complete the